Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. We heartily welcome you all to our YouTube channel CAD CAE Master. If you enjoy what you see, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. Well, hello everyone, welcome to part 4 session of how to become a CA analyst, CA engineer. Let's get started with this. So here I would like to just take you through each and every detail of the particular job role and what and all the skill set needed. So when it comes to CA Modeler, as I told, the initial package lies between 3 to 6 LPA. For the beginners it is 4.5 and you can even reach up to 10 to 12 LPA after 4-5 years of experience as a CA modeler. Remember that. Yeah. Well, the skills required are these as follows. One is you need to be thorough with the basics of fundamentals. Yeah. And now the modeling tasks like meshing, generation of the contacts and the connections by using RBE2 and RBE3s and the adhesives, right? And the morphing and full vehicle integration techniques, very important. Now the tools, you should be proficient in Answer and Hypermesh. These are the most trending tools in the current market. The job roles, as I told, you need to mesh the trims, sometimes PIWs, subsystems, you need to deal with includes for the subsystems, right? The property and material assignments inside it, meshing the sheet metal components as well as the solids, and very important thing is the mesh quality check activities. You should do it, and you should be thorough with all the standards for the crash, durability and NVH, and according to that you should mesh the models. So there are different standards for the crash, NVH and the durability that you need to know. Yeah. Well, so that's all about the same modeler job role. I hope it's clear for everyone. So if you would like to start your career as a CA modeler, you need to only focus on ANSA and Alta Hypermesh as a fresher. Well, so if you would like to start your career as a CA analyst or a CA engineer, so you already know the package. It's 7 LPA exactly, but in future it might reach up to 18 to 20 LPA or more than that, 24 LPA depending upon the grades. So minimum experience you should have is 5 to 6 years to reach this particular package. Yeah. Well, the skills required, as I told, you should be thorough of the model, static and dynamic simulations. So all kind of frequency analysis, extracting the mode shapes, okay, natural frequencies. These all things you should be able to do it, and doing the validation runs, getting the stress strain results and post-processing them, and dealing with the dynamic simulations like model analysis. Okay. Then you should be thorough with the explicit analysis. Any of the domain is fine. NVH, durability, yeah, and the optimization. So you don't need to know all these domains because it's hard for a person to learn all these domains and incorporate. You can be expert in NVH or durability or the optimization. Yeah. But finally, if you would like to become an automation engineer in CAE, so you should know the Python coding. And very important thing is you should know how to debug the errors to the model. So these are the tools you should know: the OptiStruct, and then Alter Radios, the Similia Bacchus, and ANSYS Workbench, Alstina for the explicit analysis, and the �NX. The job description as it is here. The very important skill set needed is the debugging the models. You should be able to post-process the results and present to the counterparts. Very important skill set. you should have the good analytical and reasoning skills. You should run the crash or durability or NVH, any of these analysis jobs, and you should be able to interpret the results. Finally, to become a CAE Analyst Automation Engineer, you should be able to create the macros or the automation for the particular process or the methods by using Python. Well, so these are the things you should know when it comes to CAE domain. So I hope now the freshers, the mechanical fresh graduates, or the people who are undergraduates, they know what exactly should do to get into CAE domain, right? Now, how do you would like to learn the CAE skills? For this, we are here. Contact us at any time. We'll train you guys. We'll make you expert, and you can be a CAE engineer. Well, that's all from our side. Well, that's all. Thank you. See you. Bye, everyone. We heartily thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram for behind the scenes content and the updates. Stay curious, stay awesome, and see you again in the next video.